Thanks for tuning in to WeatherAM. This is your national forecast for Tuesday, when we're going to start off in the Atlantic, where temperatures are rising and the sun will be shining. You're expecting warm conditions through the afternoon. It doesn't get much better than this across the Maritimes. Some of you jumping into the low 20s, and across Newfoundland into the mid-teens. St. John's 14 degrees, mostly sunny skies. But that sunshine does wrap up as we head into the middle of the week. Already some rain showers into parts of New Brunswick on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we're going to see that activity spread further east as that cold front slowly tracks its way through the region with more rain activity. And speaking of unsettled weather, it's going to be the story across Quebec on Tuesday. We're looking at even some thunderstorms. That's right, some instability builds in. The morning starting off fairly quiet along the St. Lawrence corridor, maybe some isolated showers. But as we make our way into the afternoon, that's when some of those heavier downpours start to develop with those scattered storms across the eastern townships. The heavier stuff starts to exit the region as we make our way into the late afternoon, and you're just left with some regular plain old showers by the evening. Here's a look at your temperatures. Fairly nice actually, even with the unsettled weather. Temperatures around that 20-degree mark. And there is more unsettled weather as we head further west into southern Ontario, dealing with some showers as that cold front makes its way through the region. And you'll notice those temperatures are starting to fall off as well. So the morning starts off on the drier note, and then as we make our way into the afternoon, that's when we start to see those showers approaching that 401 quarter. And then as we push our way into the evening, it looks like that second impulse of moisture will just graze parts of southern Ontario, remaining mostly south of the 401 quarter. And the same goes with the impulse of moisture that is expected to arrive on Wednesday, just grazing parts of southern Ontario. Looking at northern Ontario, it's shaping up to be another cool day with that upper level low in place. Temperatures in the lower single digits during the afternoon. The warm spot being Sudbury at 11, but Geraldton 2 degrees, and you run the risk of some flurries. We're going to see these bursts of snow wrapping around the system throughout the day. And those winds, they won't make it feel any warmer. Gusty winds out of the west around 50 kilometers an hour, especially through northeastern Ontario. And speaking of cool and breezy, that's the story on the prairies, especially if you're in Manitoba. Still stuck underneath the influence of that low with cloud cover throughout the day, maybe even a few flurries around the central and northeastern sections across the morning, and then things start to dry out into the afternoon. Winds quite breezy as well across Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba during the afternoon. A northerly flow still in place. And that's why those temperatures are in the single digits for Saskatchewan and Manitoba. But across Alberta, seeing a bit of sunshine, and those temperatures are slowly starting to recover. But across BC, it is still hot with that ridge of high pressure in place. Temperatures in the upper 20s through the interior regions. Vancouver, a little bit cooler at 21 degrees, but that's still nothing to complain about. And then as we head into Wednesday, a weak disturbance tracks across the south, and we're going to see a puddle of instability develop, and that could spark off some afternoon and evening showers, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. This is across the southern interior into the Rocky Mountains. Main concern, just some locally heavy rainfall. And finally, taking a look at the northern regions, there's a bit of a divide going on. The eastern section's cool, but then those western sections actually quite nice with some sunshine, unless you're through central and northern Yukon, where some showers will develop as we head through the afternoon and evening hours.